Welcome to mathematics video lesson. In this video we are going to learn introduction to trigonometry in that chapter and very important one third problem from first line of second exercise, and this is Jyotikumar M. The third sub question is like this: evaluate the following: cos 45 degree divided by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. We already learnt t ratios as follows. So cos 45 degree is equal to, look here, cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, and then secant 30 degree. The value of secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3, and then cosecant 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree is 2. So by substituting these values in the given problem, that means cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree becomes as 1 by root 2 by 2 by root 3 plus 2. In the next steps, it will becomes as 1 by root 2 by 2 by root 3 plus, and consider this root 3 as LCM for these two terms, then it will becomes as 2 into root 3 by root 3. Then consider this division as multiplication, then it will becomes as 1 by root 2 into, and the denominator is considered as reciprocal of the denominator, that means root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. What happens? 1 into root 3 becomes as root 3, root 2 into 2 into 1 plus root 3 becomes as 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. Root 3 by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. We considered second term as first term. So this is not the simplified term. By rationalizing this term, we will get, to rationalize the given term, we have to multiply and divide by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 into root 3 minus 1. So root 3 into root 3 becomes as square root 3 whole square. Square and square root gets cancels, becomes as 3 plus into minus minus root 3 into 1 becomes as root 3. After that, 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. The value of root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is simplified by using an identity a plus b into a minus b, becomes as a square minus b square. So 2 root 2 into a square, that means root 3 whole square. Square and square root gets cancels. What happens? 3 minus root 1 into root 1 whole square becomes as 1. Finally, it is becomes as 3 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 into 3 minus 1 becomes as 2. Here also it is not the simplified form. To simplify this term, multiply both numerator and denominator by a root 2. We will get, look here, 3 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 into 2 into root 2 by root 2 becomes as 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 minus into plus minus root 3 into root 2, root 3 into root 2 by 2 root 2 into 2 into root 2 becomes as 2 root 2 into 2 into root 2. So in the numerator, 3 root 2 minus root 3 into root 2 becomes as root 6. Look here, root 2 into root 2 becomes as root 2 whole square. Square and square root gets cancels. What happens? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. This is the final answer. 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Thank you friends.